Hello, what's up mga pips? For today's vlog, magluluto ako ng dinengdeng na rabong or tinatawag sa Tagalog na labong with saluyot at syempre, sasahugan natin yan ng pritong tilapia.
Thank you for watching. God bless. Don't forget to like, share, and follow.